can be no doubt that we are closer to that light at the end of the tunnel and a return to some sense of normalcy in our lives.
Governor Hogan striking a note of optimism as he announces the easing of several coronavirus restrictions. Hello, everybody. I'm Denise Koch.
And I'm Nicole Baker. Starting Friday night, Governor Hogan is allowing cities and counties to remove capacity limits at restaurants and allowing more people inside, everything from stores to concert and wedding venues.
Now, the governor says this huge step forward is all thanks to the work that we have done to keep our numbers down. Wearing masks, social distancing, washing our hands. Moving forward, he reminds all of us we have to keep it up.
That's right. WJZ investigator Mike Helgren is live for us, breaking down Governor Hogan's major announcement and what local leaders have to say about it. Hey, Mike.
Hi, Nicole. Hi, Denise. There is some concern that the state is moving too fast with dangerous other variants of the coronavirus spreading right now in Maryland. In Baltimore City, the mayor just issued a statement that he is working with the city's law department and looking at health data to decide what to do next. He hasn't committed to lifting restrictions. In Baltimore County, they say that they learned about the governor's announcement along with the general public. They're still deciding what to do. In Harford County, they are going to lift restrictions in line with the governor's order.
The time is right.
With cases declining and vaccinations increasing, Governor Larry Hogan announced he's lifting all COVID-19 capacity restrictions on dining and retail, but masks remain mandatory.
The most important thing is that we kept the masking orders fully in place and the distancing requirements fully in place. Many states have not done that.
Starting Friday at 5 p.m., there will be no more capacity limits on indoor and outdoor dining, but you must be seated and are not allowed to crowd around bars. Also on Friday, all capacity limits will be lifted on retail, as well as churches, gyms, personal services, and indoor recreation. Conference centers and concert venues, theaters, any big indoor and outdoor facilities can expand to 50% capacity.
Today's announcement does not mean it's time to start letting our guard down. It means staying safe works. Wearing masks works.
Baltimore City and the counties can still keep stricter capacity limits in place and do not have to follow the state. Despite decreasing numbers, variants are on the rise with at least 140 cases of dangerous, more contagious strains confirmed in Maryland. Some health experts say it's a mistake to lift restrictions right now.
You don't want to go from very stringent public health restrictions to just turning it off and say, that's it. Let just anybody do what they want. You particularly don't want to do that when you have a high level of community spread, which is what we have now.
In Baltimore City, the Liquor Licensing Board is going to do enhanced monitoring of restaurants to make sure that they are following COVID restrictions as we head towards St. Patrick's Day. And on the vaccine front, Governor Hogan says our supply is expected to remain flat, at least for the next 2 weeks. Reporting live, Mike Helgren, WJZ.